Today we are eating gyukatsu. This is their menu. We're getting fire right now. Should I put it over there? Is that too far away?
No, I don't think it's that far.
It's too far away. No, it's not. You're so far away.
Whatever you want. And it comes with rice and some miso soup and some brown sugar dessert thing and some sauces.
Is this fine?
Well, why don't you do that?
I mean, I can see what's displayed. There's a grill in front of us. We just put it on.
Miso soup. It's very rich.
There's a filter on us.
Yeah, I think so.
It's cooked now. And then you dip it. Let's try this one.
Steak. It's yummy. How long did you cook yours for?
Not that long.
I was eating 2 lunches today.
Oh, this is so fun. What is this?
This honey mustard.
I don't know.
I guess I should just try it. So yummy. Dip it in some soy sauce.
I dipped it in all. I think they're all yummy.
So you get the initial crunch from the katsu part. Very good. That was really, I gotta cut that out. Maybe try the steak with wasabi. Rather than like make the rating -2 for you though. Good.
I rate this place a 8 out of 10.
8.6 out of 10.
And after this, we're going to eat ramen.
Those nails so cool.
This is our new room. These are the closets. And then here's the bathroom, the toilet, the shower, the mirror.
The bathtub. Is that clean enough to go into?
Bathtub, yeah.
There's no hair.
The mirror.
Wait, does it,
Whoa.
You see?
Yeah. There's a TV, and then a desk, and a couch, and the bed. Okay, ready? Let's see if there's a good view.
Oh, we got the city one.
It's still pretty.
Yeah. Welcome to Grand. You can read it.
Welcome to Grand Hilai, Taipei. Indulge in our exquisite pineapple pastry. We wish you have a pleasant stay. Oh, our luggages are coming. This is the gym. Let's look at the view. You don't even have a Stairmaster.
The mountains.
It's beautiful. Now let's go here. This is the pool. With a nice view.
So beautiful.